If you've tried to paste LaTeX into Google Docs, you probably notice that nothing happens. Google Docs doesn't actually support LaTeX syntax. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add LaTeX equations directly into Google Docs. Google Docs has an equation editor, but it doesn't understand standard LaTeX syntax. That means if you're used to writing equations in LaTeX, copying them into Docs doesn't work. The easiest solution is using a Google Workspace add-on that renders LaTeX directly inside your document. Here's how it works. You type your LaTeX code in the sidebar. You can use inline math or full display equations. You can also extract the LaTeX from the equations, so that you can edit the equation later and re-render it if needed. This is especially useful if you're writing lecture notes, assignments, or technical documents in Google Docs.